everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 684 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out one of the products that I got from my December 2019 Ipsy Glam Bags Ultimate box. So if you haven't seen my unboxing of that, I will of course have that linked down below in the description. But this is the Space Case Scene from Space highlighter, and I got it in the shade 1E. And I got the full-size product, which has a retail value of $9, so not an overly pricey brand. I have tried out Space Case in the past from Ipsy. I tried out the eyeshadow, which I really liked, so I will have my review on that eyeshadow down below as well if you want to see that. So here it is, and I really love this shade. Let me do a swatch. It's such a velvety, creamy texture, even though it is still considered like a powder highlighter. It's just so pretty. It's a champagne shade, but just from that swatch, you can see how reflective it is and glowy. And this shade looks perfect for my very fair skin tone. So I can't wait to see the glow this gives me. And this is also vegan, cruelty-free, and toxin-free, which is awesome. I was going to try and apply this with a brush. I mean, I still will, but because it has more of that like densely packed, velvety, creamy texture, I'm not so sure that my brush is even going to pick any product up. There's like a tiny bit, but yeah, you can't really see it. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it with my finger. There we go. So much easier to just apply this with the finger. It shows up really nicely. And it does look shimmery on the skin, but I wouldn't really say it looks glittery, sparkly, and that's what I prefer for my highlighters. I want it to be more of like a reflective glow than a strip of sparkle. And this definitely does that. So look at that beautiful shine and radiance to my skin. I just did one little layer and already I feel like it's looking so beautiful and glowy. So this side compared to without it, gosh, I just like this side so much more. But let's see if it is buildable. Yes! It's really nicely buildable. And it looks really good on the skin. It's not emphasizing texture. It's looking smooth and even. So pretty. I feel like this is such a wearable, everyday type of highlighter because it just makes your skin look so healthy, dewy. It looks shiny without looking greasy. I love it. Okay, let's go ahead and add it everywhere. I was curious what other shades this came in, and it actually comes in 7 different shades, which is great. They all looked really pretty. But I love this 1E shade because it's also a perfect highlighter that's light enough to highlight the inner corners, which, look at just how brightening that is to that eye immediately. So this eye with the brightening versus this eye without it, it's a perfect inner corner highlight shade. And then this is also a beautiful brow bone highlight shade. So pretty. It's just like so enhancing and reflective. Like I'm loving all of this highlight and glow and radiance. So there it is, applied to the brow bone versus without it. I feel so pretty in this highlighter. I am so happy to have this. so quick and easy to apply, but I feel like my face was just transformed. I love a highlighter that's so quick and easy to apply, but that you can just apply all over. It makes it so much easier. This is perfect for travel because you can apply it for all of your different highlighting points, and so it's the only highlighter you need to bring with you. So I am going to get so much use out of this. If you've tried out these Space Case Seen from Space highlighters, I would love to know your thoughts on them in the comments down below and which shades you tried out. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.